We count, right?
Okay, count inventory.
We do. Count inventory. So that way we know. So why do we count it?
To make sure that how many items do we have.
Right, so then if we're missing one, we'll know, we'll say, oh, well this is missing, we'll know where, we'll have to look for it or find out what might happen to it. And so we keep a close eye on this, and you know, we let a lot of students know this is for teachers only, so they do these orders. And then what happens, Joachim, if some of this is really low? Then what?
Then you just fill it back up and
Right, then we
if
have
that
to
one's
tell
empty,
Ren.
you just fill it back up and zero.
If it gets empty, I have to say, oh, you know what, I have to contact Ren and say, listen, we need some more of this, and he places the order for us, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, how do you keep your inventory? Do you write it on paper or do you have it in the computer?
We
So
have on
normally
paper.
I put it on paper and then you just type it in.
Yeah, and so like they keep a running tab of it too. So in the here, kids, it's on paper, so they have lists of everything. So when they do their inventory, they count it right here.
Okay.
So they write everything down, and we
this
make
is where
sure.
I put my name. That's where I put my name.
You got it. So in so whoever's in here, their names are going to be at the top.